Hey my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shishmita and all of you are watching me on Mrs. Out. So today in this video I'll be creating this look specially for Saraswati Puja, and this look is created using products under 500 rupees. This is very simple to create and this looks gives a full Bengali vibe. And yeah, without much further ado, let's get started. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. That would mean a lot to me. So yeah guys, let's get started. So first of all, I'll be doing my eyebrows, and for that I'll be using this Etude house eyebrow pencil, and I'll be just filling my eyebrows. So before filling in it, I'm just shaping my eyebrows using this pulley on the other end of the eyebrow pencil, and then I have filled it in. Now taking this concealer by Sugar Pop, and I'm putting it on the eyelids. Now once I have applied the desired amount of concealer, now what I'll do is I'll blend it using a wet sponge. The sponge I'm here using is by e.l.f. Now this is one of my favorite sponge. I have a review of it. Now taking this Mars eyeshadow palette, which not only consists of eyeshadows but also this comes with a blush and contour and a highlighter. I'm putting this dark brown shade on the lids and then I'm blending it into my crease. And for that I'm using a blending brush by Plume. Now once done, I'm using a lighter shade to blend the crease so that it looks more buffed and more natural. And then taking a very small blending brush and using a very light shade of the brown, I'm pulling it towards my eyebrow area. Now taking this Kohl by Sugar, this is their Kohl of Honor in the shade black. I was supposed to tightline my upper eyelids, but somehow I made a mistake and the Kohl got on my lids. Now using my fingertips, I'm blending it only on the lash line, and I've done the same with the other eye as well. Now once done, I'm using this mascara by Zayn and Myza, ZM, and I'm coating my upper eyelashes. Now I'm not doing the lower lashes, but I'm only coating my upper lashes. Once I complete my base makeup, I'll coat my lower lashes as well. Now taking this orange concealer by Inside Cosmetics, I'm like applying it on the areas where I have spots. So while taking out the concealer, I found that the pan itself came out. Now putting it on the dark spots or the dark circles I have, and I'm using my fingertips to blend now it. Taking this foundation by Sugar Pop, this is in the shade Fig. I'm applying it all over my face in very small amount, and I'm using the same wet sponge by e.l.f. to blend it all over my face. Now once I've blended it properly, I'll use this fixing spray by Faces Canada, and I'm spraying it all over my face before putting the concealer and everything. Now taking the same concealer which I've applied it on the eyelids, that is by Sugar Pop, I'm using it all over my face. Now not exactly all over my face, just on the high points of my face, just to highlight and give my face a good dimension. Now taking the same sponge again, and I'm blending it properly. The concealer is very creamy and very easily blendable. I absolutely love it, and looking at the price point, this is a must-have product. Now taking this Lakme loose powder, this is in the shade Rose. This is their actually rose powder. I'm setting my whole base, and for the brush I'm using it by La Cara, and this is in the number F004. This used to come in set of 10, and they are available on Amazon. I exactly don't remember the price. Now taking the three shades, that is the contour, the blush and the highlighter from the same palette from Mars, I'm contouring my face, and once done with the contouring, I'll use the same shade to contour my nose. Now taking the blush from the palette, I'll be putting it on the apples of my cheeks, and for that I'm using the same brush which I've used to apply the loose powder on my face to set my base. Now next what I'll do is apply the highlighter from the same palette on the high points of my face so that my face looks more glowy and dewy, and it shines and gives my face more dimension. Now once I'm done with everything, I'll just spray on some setting spray which I've used previously by Faces Canada. Now taking this Neyah Beauty brown shade, and using the lipstick, I'm outlining my lips, and once I'm done, I'll put on a very light nude shade, and that is by Lakme. It is from their matte melt range in the shade Peach Rose, and I'll just fill in the gaps. So basically the lip combination you are seeing, the lipstick combination, it looks very good on dusky skin tone. Now I'll add a bindi using eyeliner, and this is the final look guys. Hope you enjoyed watching it. This look is very subtle yet very beautiful, and is perfect for daytime. Also, if you recreate this look, then do tag me on Instagram. The ID is mentioned on the screen, and this look is very easy to create. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you in my next. Till then, stay blessed, stay gorgeous. Love you all. Bye bye.